Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be doing a review of Crackles from Spirit Halloween 2026. Yes, Crackles was obviously released a little over a week ago with a large majority of Spirit Halloween's 2026 animatronic lineup, and yeah, Crackles is my favorite of the year so far from Spirit Halloween, so I decided I'd have to get him. Now, his price was around $249.99, so not a bad price at all for what you're getting. It's a very unique clown with a lot of animation and phrases. And he's made by SVI, so Seasonal Visions. And another really great thing about Crackles is that he is outdoor rated. So he has these, special things with his, wires and stuff that make him able to be out in the rain. Obviously, I won't have him out in the rain because usually for my Halloween display, I have this big like white tarp / tent, and I put my animatronics under that, so he won't get wet anyway. But still, I just really like that he is outdoor rated. But yeah, this is Crackles. Let's get into the details. So what he is basically he is a vintage clown. He has a very, cracked up face, very wide smile on his friendly face. Obviously, this is supposed to be his friendly face, but even though this is supposed to be his friendly face, I still think it looks pretty creepy with, the crackles in it. There he has his pink hair, spiky pink hair. I was able to get it spiked up, kind of like the stock photos, so that's good. He has, as you can see, he has a blood splatter on his clown ruffle, which I think is really cool. And of course, his whole blue striped outfit. I really like his outfit. And I really like how they make his outfit look like dirty and like roughed up. That is really cool in my opinion, because it makes him look like, just a really vintage old clown. The suit looks really dirty, which I really like. His hands are just regular white hands, clown hands. And of course down at his feet are just plain hard plastic clown shoes from SVI. So yeah. He has a pretty wide wingspan, as you can see, because of his arms being out, so I had to have him positioned a little bit differently in my room than I thought I would, but that's really okay. He's about 6'6" tall, but that's including the hair. Without the hair, he's probably around 6'3", something like that. But yeah, really, really cool vintage clown vibes from Crackles, but obviously, the best part about Crackles is his activation, is his demo, when he splits that vintage clown face open to reveal his demonic, fleshy, zombie-like face. That is the best part about Crackles. I love this guy so much. And he has also the really good addition of mouth animation on the inside evil face. That is really good. And yeah, also his head turns from side to side. But yeah, I honestly think Crackles is Spirit Halloween's best clown they have ever released in this decade from the 2020s. I really do. He is very similar to Henry Hustle with that same concept of a clown having a second evil face. But I think he's better than Henry Hustle, to be honest. I mean, I just think something about this execution is just a lot better than Henry Hustle, and I really do like him. I do think he is Spirit Halloween's best clown from the 2020s, from this decade. So yeah, obviously here's his box. I'll just show the front because it's a big box. I don't want to turn it around right now. But yeah, you can read that if you want. But yeah, this is Crackles, obviously the best clown of the year in my opinion, and the best clown of the 2020s in my opinion. I mean, this, you could call it recency bias, but I can't see myself saying in like a month or two after this video, I can't see myself saying this guy is worse than Henry Hustle or worse than Cotton Candy Dan. Like, I feel like he's the best clown of the 2020s. So yeah, without me rambling anymore, let me plug him in and we'll get to his demos. So we have his really long adapter down here. Yeah. Oh, he's resetting. Okay. Here we go. It's a motion sensor.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear.
Just love that animation and the glowing eyes inside. It looks really cool and really creepy. This guy's gonna look so cool out in the dark on Halloween night. Obviously, I'll have him next to Silent and Deadly because I'm doing a clown theme this year. But, yeah, just super creepy.
I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.
All right, do a couple more.
I saved the grand finale just for you. Now try not to scream too much.
He has one more phrase. If I can get him back to it.
Something's missing, but the show must go on. I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims.
And yeah, I just think he is super cool. Like I said, the best clown probably of the 2020s. I just think he is such a great concept, such an amazing execution. And yeah, another fun fact about Crackles is this is the first time I have ever purchased or gotten an animatronic from Spirit Halloween before the stores have even opened. So this is my first time actually seeing him in person, literally before I see him. Like, I ordered him, like, not knowing what he'd look like in person, technically. I mean, of course here he goes again.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
Well, anyway, yeah, like I was saying, obviously got him before seeing him in person, before the stores even opened. So this is the first time I've ever got an animatronic from Spirit Halloween before the stores have opened. So yeah, but I still don't regret the decision. I think Crackles is a great clown, definitely one of the best clowns of all time, and definitely the best clown of the 2020s, in my opinion, like I keep saying. And yeah, just a really neat clown, Crackles. I love his antique clown vibe, and I love his animation. That is the best part about him, where his face just splits open and reveals his evil face. So, yeah, that is the review of Crackles from Spirit Halloween 2026. I will demo him a few more times, and then that'll be the end of this review. So here we go.
I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show. I saved the grand finale just for you. Now try not to scream too much.
Last time.
Something's missing, but the show must go on. I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims.
And yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this review of Crackles from Spirit Halloween 2026. And if you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.